In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not sending a verification code. If Yahoo Mail is not sending your verification code, one of the easiest ways to solve the problem is to update or add other sign-in methods in your account settings. That way, you're not relying on just one verification option, especially if text messages or one-time codes are delayed or not arriving at all. I'll walk you through exactly where to find those settings inside Yahoo. Start by opening your browser and going to yahoo.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the Yahoo account you want to fix. If you're already logged in, you can move straight to the next part. Now, look over to the top right-hand side of the page and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where Yahoo gives you access to your personal settings and account controls. From that menu, click on Manage Your Account. This will take you into your Yahoo account management area. Depending on your current login status, Yahoo may ask you to confirm your identity before letting you continue. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're inside the account settings page, find and click on Security. This section is important because it controls how you sign in, how Yahoo verifies it's really you, and what backup methods are available if one verification option stops working. After that, scroll down until you see the section called Add More Options to Sign In. This is the area you'll want to focus on if Yahoo is not sending a verification code properly. The goal here is to give your account more than one way to verify your identity. In this section, you can choose to create a passkey, add an email, or enable notifications as another sign-in method. A passkey can be a faster and more secure option on supported devices. Adding an email gives you another backup route for verification, and notifications can help if you prefer approval prompts instead of waiting for a code. Choose the option that works best for you and complete the setup by following Yahoo's instructions on the screen. Be sure to enter your recovery details carefully so they're accurate and accessible when you need them later. Once you've added another sign-in option, try signing in again or triggering the verification process one more time. In many cases, having additional sign-in methods available helps you work around the issue and regain access more easily. And that's how to fix Yahoo Mail not sending a verification code.